to point out that there's a lot of first-time faces, so thank you guys for coming. A lot of repeat faces, so thank you guys for coming. What I'm looking for from all of you is, what can I do better? Is there something that you want to see more of? Is there a particular technology or set of technologies that you want to learn about? Career things. I was talking to some of the ladies before, and they just said that women are typically underrepresented here. So let's make a concerted effort to invite our female colleagues to not just this event, but all events, so that maybe we could have better representation. If there's something you want to talk about, get in touch. Always looking for speakers. When the weather gets a little bit warmer, I want to organize a hackathon. We did a few over the years, but those are logistically challenging to coordinate because you typically need about 24 hours for that, and getting that sort of commitment from people and places and everything is challenging. So before we get started with our speakers, I want to know who is hiring. Show of hands if your company is hiring. Besides you guys, we'll get to that. Who is actively looking for a job? Raise your hands. Okay, so we have a bit of an imbalance, so I need to get more on the people that are hiring as well. Who is using JavaScript in a job now? React, Vue, Angular, Node, React Native. All right, so it's shifting a little bit, more front-end focused. TypeScript? CoffeeScript? No, not anymore? Okay, we're past those days. So first and foremost, I want to thank our hosts here at Grubhub. So little. Not only for providing the space, but also providing the delicious food and refreshments. So thank you again for having us here. And Joel from Grubhub, he's a senior engineer here and has been with them for a couple of months now, a few months now? Yeah, so for those that are looking, I know someone that's hiring. So if we could give that.
This is a meaty microphone. Thank you. All right, so thank you everyone for joining us here tonight. First and foremost, we are, of course, hiring. careers.grubhub.com. Whether you are looking for a job or you already have a job, apply. It'll be great. You'll love it. So before we continue with the meetup here, I just wanted to give you a little bit of info about what we are about here at Grubhub and my team. So I am on the Umami team. We are, like all other teams, named after food, just like our conference rooms. It's a shocker. And we are the web platform. So you go to grubhub.com and you type in an order. That is our application. It is a first-class user experience, whether you're a new user or existing user. Check it out. It's amazing. And the experience is just phenomenal. It's a simple, dare I say, seamless experience of checking out. And but it doesn't, the simple experience is anything but to engineer. And thanks to our phenomenal engineering team, we have extreme talent that work around the clock to make a excellent experience. We have a really top-notch performing application, both in terms of runtime and also something we're very proud of, bundle size. Open the network tab when you're on grubhub.com. You will be impressed. We are quite impressed with ourselves. And it doesn't stop there. We have a lot of great tooling around our framework. So we are a Preact application currently. So we have a lot of really great tooling to make that an excellent experience. And part of the reason why that's the case is because we were an Angular app, and we are going to be a React app. And like I said, we have such tremendous engineering talent that can rip and replace the engine of this running car in production multiple times, while our users are none the wiser. So that is another fantastic aspect of our tremendous engineering team. We are a TypeScript shop. Well, our team and application is a TypeScript application, which absolutely has made the conversion across 3 different frameworks a lot easier. It also helps us reduce our Sentry errors, which is absolutely very, very helpful. Thank you, TypeScript. Now, it doesn't just stop there. We're not just all about the engineering, even though we absolutely are. We are highly collaborative with our design team. We are working right now on bringing to life the design system that they have architected and working closely to develop our component library. It's React Storybook. Styled components, awesome. We also work very closely with our QA team to orchestrate and maintain our releases, which we have a lot of confidence around because we have ridiculous amounts of automation. We have so many automated tests, functional UI end-to-end tests, which are so great, both because the architecture took a lot of thinking and discipline, but also we converted from Protractor to Test Cafe, which has been another great experience. And we have, I would say, maybe infinite unit tests, all in jest, of course. But I jest you not. If you go to grubhub.com, you will have a phenomenal experience, especially because as of this week, we just launched Grubhub Plus, our subscription platform for subscriptions. So you don't have to pay delivery fees, and you get cashback opportunities. And it is so great, but also, you know, watch the wait. And so beyond that, we are always hustling. We just, over the past 4 months, doubled our restaurant count. It's only February, and we are not stopping anytime soon. It is going to be an excellent 2020. We hope absolutely you will be a part of it in some capacity. Please, again, careers.grubhub.com. And great question. Literally the process, or like, okay. So if you go to the website, our talent organization, talent acquirement recruitment are very responsive. The experience for me, which was in recent memory, fantastic experience. They will reach out to you, you'll come in, you'll go through the rounds, and either way, even if you're not that great, you'll probably get a free lunch. So it's, you know, maybe you should just try it anyways, even if you're not playing on it. So that's that. Thank you for being here and being with us. We are so happy to have you.
What levels are you guys looking for?
Ooh, I think we're all levels. SC2, senior. That. Yes, we are. Typically the entry point is SE1, so we're looking for SE2, senior team lead, and we are always looking for friends. So and hire more people to hire. So join us. That's the gist, I think, of what he said. Yes, thank you to JS NYC for hosting this meetup. We are big fans of you guys. Excellent. And please enjoy the meetup.
Thank you, thank you. Yeah, hello, okay. So Team Grubhub, if you guys could just raise your hands back there. Yeah, so if you're a Grubhubber, Grubhubite, I don't know what the